Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to make this box longer because I want to put in a product that I want to ship. This product is a bit longer, so I'm going to make this box longer. There are companies that doesn't want to see labels on the outside. That's not intended for the product that you're going to put inside. So first is we're going to try to open this up and hide this part. Okay, now it's already hidden, this part. As you can see, no label on the outside. It's already hidden on the inside. Now we're going to make a marking in here and in here. Okay, so I'm going to put a line at the center. I have cut a cardboard. Also on the other side. Now let's cut it in here. Also here. Now I'm going to make a bending line along this black line that I made. So just going to use this transfer. Okay, so we have put a bending line here and in here. So let's bend it now. Okay, so you have the option to glue it down to make it stronger. So I'm going to put some glue. So let's make it stronger. There you go, we just converted a square box into a rectangular box without spending money buying a new box. In case you enjoy this video and find it helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you can get notified once we come up with another tutorial video that you might find helpful. Thank you for watching and see you on our next video. Bye bye.